Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. This isn't really going to be a TA video, more so a warning video. Apple, I'll come back to this video on Friday because we don't have confirmation until Friday, but we are looking like we are going to be closing a bear week on Apple on Friday. And again, I don't really do anything until confirmation. I'm just giving a pretty good warning on what can happen. But if on this Friday we actually do close a bear week, I can almost guarantee us going back to 115, 116. Actually, not back, but lower. I can almost guarantee it's going to like a 116 Apple by mid-December, late December. As far as us closing the specific way, I can definitely see us doing that. So like I said, and again, if we do that, you can see that we'll actually hit this. We'll actually still be on trend. We'll still be on the safety zone, right? You're still above this major trend because Apple did break trend to the upside. But again, if you come down here, you're still above trend, which is still what we're looking for. If you break under trend, if you break under here, that's horrible because you can accelerate here a lot faster. But it plays out perfectly, right? Still above trend. You're at that 116 support. Fair warning. If Apple closes like this on Friday, which I'll come back to this on Friday, if Apple closes like this on Friday, I can almost guarantee a 116 Apple by mid to late December. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.